Welcome to all government job aspirants. There is one very important notification which was released by Staff Selection Commission. This notification released to fill the constable jobs. There are different types of constable jobs in central government. The jobs are filled by this Staff Selection Commission notification. The different constable jobs which are present in this notification are Border Security Force, Central Industrial Security Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Force, Sesastra Seamable, Secretariat Security Force, etc. Then if you see the important points of this notification, important points which are related to this notification, you should apply for this notification before 31st August 2021. Means the online application will be open in between 17/7/2021 to 31/8/2021. Then last date and time for receipt of online application is 31st August 2021 up to 11:30 night 11:30 or 23:30. Next, last date and time for making online fees payment is 2nd/9/2021. Then last date and time for generation of offline chalana is 4/9/2021. Then last date for payment through chalana during working hours of bank means before 7/9/2021. That are important dates of this notification. Mainly you should remember that you have to apply for this Staff Selection Commission before 31st August 2021. Next, after that, if you see the number of posts, this constable job notification is for both male and female. There is lot of jobs are there for females also. If you observe here, total number of posts for males are 22,424. In that, BSF 6,413, CISF 7,610. There is no CRPF post for the males. Then SSB 3,806, ITBP 1,216, AR 3,185, NIA 0, SSF 194. Again, each type of posts again divided into different categories. Based on your caste, you will get different reservations. See, I'll explain one thing, that is BSF, to understand it. Total there are 6,430 BSF constable posts are there, in which 1,026 are reserved for scheduled caste SC. 603 jobs are reserved for scheduled tribes ST, and 1,453 jobs are reserved for OBC, other backward classes. Next, 641 is reserved for EWS. For unreserved candidates or general candidates, the number of posts are 2,690. Here you have to understood that the unreserved category jobs, that are 2,690, are open jobs. Unreserved are open posts. Means all ST, SC, general, OBC, EWS all are eligible for this. But the 1,026 jobs are only for SC, 603 jobs are reserved for only ST, 1,453 jobs of BSF only for OBC, etc. That is about understanding of the number of posts for different categories. Then after that, if you see age limit for these posts, the candidates who are applying for this job must be present in between, must has age in between 18 to 23 years. There is certain age relaxation also there for few members, that also I will explain. Before going to see that, the UR candidates, unreserved candidates age limit is the age limit for unreserved candidates is 18 to 23 years. They should be born in between 0 to 8 1998 to 018 2003. Then that is about age limit for unreserved candidates 18 to 23 years. If anyone belongs to SC or ST, scheduled caste or scheduled type, there is a scheduled tribe, there is a 5 years relaxation. Means the upper age limit in the SC/ST for ST/ST candidates are 28 years, not 23 years. Why? Because 5 years age relaxation is there for SC/ST students, SC/ST candidates. Next, OBC. For OBC, there is a 3 years age relaxation is there. Hence, upper age limit for OBC candidates are 26 years. That is about the age relaxation for SC and ST. Then there is different age relaxations also there, you can read that also. Then if you see, there is a additional marks in exam for the candidates who has NCC certificates. If you have NCC C certificate, you will get 5% extra marks. Exam is for 100 marks, then 5% marks in 100 marks are 5, means you will get extra 5 marks if you have NCC C certificate. Then if you have NCC B certificate, you will get extra 3% marks, means 3 marks. If you have NCC A certificate, then you will get extra 2% marks. That is about the extra marks for the NCC candidates. Then how to apply? You should apply through online. The website for application